Hi there, this is my Android head unit. I'm now at the Google Play Store, and let's check out the memory booster. This will enable you to boost the memory, meaning that it will actually refresh all your memories and clean whatever not in the background running, so that your head unit will feel fresh again and fast again without you needed to restart or reboot your unit. So let's click on this. This is memory booster, and why I chose this to do a review is because it already have 10 million downloads and 100 over 1,000 reviews. So I bet this is one of the best out there. So while waiting for it to install, let's look at how it looks like. Yeah, this is a screenshot from a phone, that's why it's in portrait mode. But I assume that it also will work in an Android head unit. So let's open it, and there you go. This is a memory booster, and look at this, I only have 2 gig of RAM and it's already used 75%. So let's boost it. Quick boost. So basically it actually clean up most of the memory, which is being used. Well, still using so many. Speed boost, what does this mean? Let me just see. Let's see, I boost this. I boost the device by 1%. And what does this mean? It keeps prompting me to install something from their own company, but I try not to. Start a boost. I see. There you go. From here you can see that a lot of things are started auto start on the device boot. So things like the Aptoide, I don't really use it. Car Web Guru as well. Disable it for now, because once I start the car, I do not want all this to start and goes at the background. Google, New Cloud TV, Real Dash. Oh my god. Now I know all this is being started without my knowledge. There you go, all this is now being disabled. So alright, AutoCade is for my Apple CarPlay, so that I have to leave it on. So done. So I've already disabled all this from auto start, so I think once I restarted, then I don't have all this. So I think that should be good. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.